Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today?
We are doing well.
That's really wonderful. I am going to talk about Allah makes impossible to possible. One day, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ decided to meditate, and he used to meditate often in the cave of Hira. He used to ponder how on earth can this be created, and he used to seclude himself in this cave. One day, Jibreel al-Islam came to him with a revelation. Iqra, read. My Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Ma ana biqari'in. He said, read. My Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Ma ana biqari'in. I am not reader. He said, read. My Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Ma ana biqari'in. Read in the name of Allah. You can do anything. I want to stop there again. Teacher and sister, another lesson. Nothing is impossible in the name of Allah. If you are to start to things in the name of Allah, if you are actually seek the help of Allah, everything becomes possible. What you thought was impossible, for Allah is very possible. He will do it for you. So in other words, nothing is impossible in the name of Allah. For Allah, imagine, Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq, recite in the name of your Lord. Khalaqal insana min alaq, created man from a clagging substance. Subhanallah, amazing verses. These were the opening verses to do with read using the name of Allah. When you think something is impossible, for Allah make it possible. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me. Thank you so much and have a nice day.